Today we're making this beautiful, simple, and easy Angel Topiary Tree. All you'll really need for this project is a glue gun and a few ornament balls. You can sort of figure out what you want to make, as I'm doing here, checking out my bases and checking out the balls I have and see how I want to arrange them. You'll probably want to stick to one color, one sort of design, so that makes it a lot more cohesive in the end. As you can see here, I'm using silver as my theme color for this one. It is a pretty super easy project to make. All you have to do is get your ornament balls, take the little tips off, arrange it how you want it, and then put it all together, and I'll show you how to do that. Check out our other videos for easy and affordable projects you can do at home as well. After arranging them, once you're happy with your ornament selection, put them all together. So here I've got my stem. I'm putting glue on that, and then I'll put my first big ball on that. Then I'll get my next ball and figure out where I'm going to put that, and then it'll be right there. Just put a big blob of glue on top of that and stick the next ball on. For the next ball, it has a little tip on it, so I'll just put glue on that and stick it into the hole of the other ornament. Now that the ornaments are in place, I'll put the angel on top. I wasn't quite happy with that little gap there, so I'm going to put some pearl beads around it just to tidy it up a bit. There you go, one easy Angel Topiary tree. Please hit subscribe and like.